How to create a WhatsApp business account. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp business application on your phone. You will then be taken to the welcome page. Tap on Agree and Continue at the bottom. Here, confirm your number by tapping on Use below. You can also tap on Use a different number if you want to use another number instead. Your chat history and media will automatically be moved from WhatsApp Messenger to WhatsApp Business. Wait for it to connect and transfer. Here, you can edit your profile information such as the name and photo. Tap on Business Category to choose a category for this profile. For example, shopping and retail, hotel, arts and entertainment, etc. Choose the category you want and tap on it. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Next. Here, you can manage the login settings, such as creating a passkey to log into your account. Tap on Not Now if you want to skip it for now. Here, you can add an email address to protect your account. Tap on Add Email to add the email address. You have now successfully created a WhatsApp business account. You can edit your account anytime by going to Settings. Following these steps, you can easily create a WhatsApp business account.